Tired of spending hours editing videos that still don't get the views they deserve? What if I told you ultra-realistic AI voices and avatars could transform your content in minutes, no fancy gear or camera time required? DubDub makes it happen, and I'm here to show you how. Say goodbye to the days when you needed expensive recording equipment or a professional studio to create engaging content. In fact, you don't even need to appear on camera anymore. AI-powered avatars have completely changed the game, empowering creators like you and me to produce high-quality videos with just a few clicks. In this video, I'll guide you step-by-step through the entire process, from designing your AI avatar to making it talk, so you can harness this powerful technology effectively and see real results fast. Let's dive in with the tool that makes all of this possible, DubDub. First, head over to the website. I'll drop a link in the description below. Once you're there, you'll need to create an account. Just click Sign Up in the top right corner. And for convenience, you can sign in using your Google account. After logging in, head to the AI avatar section in the menu. DubDub offers 3 different types of avatars, and picking the right one is key depending on your specific needs. The first option, the photo avatar, lets you create a lifelike digital version of yourself, perfect for adding that personal touch to your videos. I know the struggle all too well. I used to spend hours recording voiceovers in my closet, of all places, just to get decent sound quality. Then I discovered DubDub, and it was a total game changer. When you open DubDub AI, you're welcomed by a sleek, intuitive dashboard that puts everything you need right at your fingertips. Whether you want to generate AI avatars, create voiceovers, transcribe videos, translate content, or even edit videos, it's all neatly organized here for a smooth, stress-free workflow. Some of the standout features include AI avatar generation. Create a talking avatar with lip syncing that looks incredibly real. AI voiceovers. Convert text into realistic speech with a variety of voices to choose from. Instant avatar and voice cloning. Personalize your digital persona in seconds for a unique edge. Video editing suite. Customize and enhance your content directly on platform with ease. AI transcription and translation. Effortlessly convert video to text or localize content for a global audience. Imagine slashing your production time in half while still delivering videos that look like they came straight out of a pro studio. That's the power these tools unlock. More views, more engagement, and way less stress. Now, let's zero in on one of the most exciting tools on the platform, the AI avatar feature. But before we get there, let's talk about the voice options that bring it to life. If you're like me and prefer an AI-generated voice, head to the option AI voiceover and click on New Voiceover. Hit click on More Voiceover. This opens up a selection of over 800 different voice options, plenty to play with. And here's something extra exciting. DubDub has introduced a brand new feature, animation voices, setting it apart from other tools in the market. If you're looking for ultra-realistic animated voiceovers, this update is tailor-made for you. To check it out, simply navigate to the animation videos category. You'll spot several fresh voices marked with a new tag. These are crafted specifically to bring animated characters to life with enhanced expressions and dynamic tones. Pick the voice that best suits your video. Tweak the speed and pitches needed, and watch your animation spring to life with professional-grade AI narration. It's perfect for adding that extra flair to animated explainer videos or fun, character-driven content. Now, let's focus on one of the most exciting tools on the platform, the AI avatar feature. Ready to see it in action? Click on AI avatar, then choose photo avatar. This will bring up DubDub collection of professional presenters. But here's the fun part. We're not settling for pre-made options. We're making it personal. Find a character you like, then click on Swap Face. Upload a photo of yourself. It's important that the image is front-facing, with good lighting. Avoid shadows or dim lighting to ensure your face is clearly visible. Once your photo is uploaded, DubDub will automatically map your face onto the avatar. The avatar you created will maintain natural facial expressions and smooth movements. As you can see, it does a great job. There's no doubt that's my face staring back at me. Now, let's customize the background. Click on Change Background and select Green Screen. This gives you full control when editing your video later, allowing you to place your avatar in any setting you choose. Think virtual studios, tropical beaches, or wherever your creativity takes you. Next, it's time to bring your avatar to life with speech. DubDub provides a vast collection of AI-generated voices, which is what I'll be using, but you also have the option to clone your own voice. Yes, yours. To do that, you simply upload a 1-minute audio sample right here, and DubDub will create a precise digital replica of your voice that's so accurate. It can even speak languages you don't know. If you'd rather use an AI-generated voice, like I am, head to the text box under AI voiceover and click on the default voice. This will take you to a selection of over 100 different voice options. There are plenty of great choices, but don't just pick one at random. See those emotion controls right here? This is where you tweak the vibe: friendly, professional, or excited. For YouTube content, I always choose friendly because it helps create a more personal connection with the audience. Another key factor is the speaking rate. By default, it's set to 1, but I've found that tweaking it slightly makes the voice sound much more natural and engaging, almost like a real conversation. Now, I'll go ahead and click on Generate Talking Avatar. This will use 5.2 credits, and while it estimates that a 1-minute clip takes about 10 minutes to render, in most cases, it's much faster than that. Here's what the final result looks like.
Manage social media with consistent posting, engaging content, audience interaction, analytics tracking, and targeted reach. Post regularly. Respond to comments. Create high-quality content. Analyze performance. And use hashtags or ads to expand visibility.
As you can see, the avatar has successfully brought my face to life. But we're not stopping there. Let's level up even more. Next, let's explore gesture avatars. Click on Gesture Avatar in the menu, and you'll find a wide range of options. These avatars come with built-in hand gestures, natural expressions, and body movements that make your content feel more dynamic and lifelike. You'll also notice that these avatars come in different poses. You can have them standing, sitting at a desk, or even in relaxed settings like a couch. Personally, I use a standing avatar for energetic content, while the desk setup works best for professional videos. To get the most out of your avatar, it's important to match its style with your script. Now, let's export this video so you can see the final result.
Manage social media with consistent posting, engaging content, audience interaction, analytics tracking, and targeted reach. Post regularly. Respond to comments. Create high-quality content. Analyze performance. And use hashtags or ads to expand visibility.
Every video you create is saved in your account, so you can access it anytime. But there's one more feature I want to show you. Let's go back to the photo avatar section, because DubDub also allows you to create videos featuring multiple characters interacting with each other. Here's how it works. Go to AI Avatar, select Photo Avatar, and choose this 2-person template. DubDub will instantly split the screen into 2 sections, each designated for a different character's dialogue. Each character can be controlled individually. For the first one, I'll type. Be sure to like and subscribe. And for the second, I'll add. And don't forget to turn on notifications. DubDub's advanced lip-syncing technology automatically aligns each word with realistic mouth movements. So all I need to do is hit generate and see how it looks.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to turn on notifications.
There's a slight gap between the lines, but that's an easy fix. We'll export the video and fine-tune it in CapCut to make it look flawless. First, I'll click on the timeline and trim out the extra space between the dialogue. As you can see, it's super simple to drag the clips closer together for smoother pacing. Now, let's add subtitles. Click on Text, then choose Auto Captions. CapCut will generate captions for the entire video in seconds. I'll position the text at the bottom of the frame for easy readability. For styling, I'll pick this sleek modern design, set the font size to 20, and keep applied to all checks so the formatting stays consistent across every caption, saving a ton of time compared to typing everything manually. Next, let's enhance the video with sound effects. Open the audio library and select this subtle notification sound to play at key moments, like when we say notifications. Now, it's time to export. Click the export button in the top left, and once it's ready, I'll show you the final version. Trust me, these small adjustments make a huge difference in making your videos look polished and professional.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to turn on notifications.
As you can see, the results look great. Now, let's take that AI avatar with the green screen we created earlier and refine it further. To remove the green background, simply select the clip, navigate to Background Remove, and choose Chroma Key. CapCut will instantly detect the green screen. Just click on it, and you're all set. You can fine-tune the removal using the intensity slider to get the cleanest effect possible. As you can see, with just a few clicks, the background is completely gone. I've included a link to DubDub in the description if you'd like to try this out yourself. Now, let's take a quick look at the key features DubDub offers. Once inside the platform, you'll find 3 main sections: Avatar generation. This is where you can create your AI avatar using your own photo or an AI-generated character. AI voiceovers. Here, you can bring your avatar to life with a variety of voice options, including the ability to clone your own voice. Video editing suite. This section lets you refine and customize your video for a polished final result. With the starter plan, you get 10 credits, perfect for testing things out. However, if you're serious about creating content consistently, I recommend a professional plan at $40 per month. It offers 100 credits, higher quality rendering, and priority processing, which significantly improves your final videos. Now, $40 a month might sound like a lot, but think about it. Hiring a video editor or renting studio time costs way more. Plus, with DubDub, you're in control, and the learning curve is practically zero. I was making videos within 10 minutes of signing up. Ready to revolutionize your content? Click the DubDub link in the description and start creating today. Trust me, you'll wish you tried this sooner. So, what's your next big idea? Let's bring it to life together.